Hello guys, this is Lakshmi Danti. Today I am teaching you palette knife painting with oils. So just you are seeing this video clip, it's a completed painting. So this painting you are going to see how the step by step process and everything here. So I had used round canvas board here and it's almost the sketching I had done, and here the colors I had taken white, cobalt blue, crimson, black, burnt sienna, cerulean blue and vermilion and magenta. So these colors I have taken. So here to get the purple color I have mixed white and cobalt blue, a pinch of cobalt blue, crimson, a pinch of crimson and a pinch of vermilion. So by mixing these four colors we will get the like cloudy effect of magenta color, light magenta color, almost you can say navy blue or something like that. So here I had sketched already and I am just doing it in a rough sketch. So here I am doing applying that color which we had mixed, that one. So remaining that road part I am applying this one to show that snowy effect or cloudy effect. In a circular motion I am applying. Oil colors are very easy to handle. When it comes down part, here I have taken cerulean blue and white. When it goes far away the road looks like it's joining to the sky. So I have taken lots of white and a pinch of cerulean blue. When it comes down I have taken only cerulean blue to show the depth in the painting. And just few strokes with the brush, and here I am using hog-ear brushes, flat brush. So here I'm doing just giving the few strokes and to give depth more for that road. You can see that effect already it's coming. And at the top part just I'm giving few trees, the leaves shades with the hog-ear brush. With the side tip of the hair just a few touches, just dabbing, and at the same time giving the leaves shape. So it looks beautiful and effective also. Even the left side the same process I am doing, just giving few dabbing method, leaf structure, that's it, and little bit of smudging so that it should be blended well. In this oil painting you can blend the colors around as it takes time to dry, almost 3 days, and depends upon the climate. And again here I have taken white and a little bit of crimson to get the pink color, to give some leaves again the texture with the brush. Then we will use the knife. You can see that few strokes I am giving same knife like strokes. The strokes will exactly look like knife strokes. So once this one is done, the highlights are done with the palette knife. Even on the top words and even below part and in few footpath on that road side, to just both the sides should be mixed well, the road path and the side part. As I said, the oil painting takes 3 days or depends upon the climate, it takes time to dry, so we can just play with the colors. Again just only the crimson I had taken and few strokes, leaf strokes I am giving with the brush, and few crisscross method strokes, just creating that bushes part. So once this is done we can go for the trees and the branches. And in always in drawing and painting it requires lots of patience and observation. So keep observing how the each stroke is coming and the space, leaving the space, and I'm not entirely doing that pink leaves, just here and there. And according to that we can draw the trees and branches and connection everything. And even the right side I'm giving leaf shapes with the white and crimson, lots of white and a pinch of crimson. We will get the pink color. And even I had used in few areas vermilion. So it's not necessary to do the same pink color. If you like any other color, you can go ahead. But we should have a little bit knowledge of color knowledge. Which color goes well with the another color. Just we should have that color knowledge. In the next video, if you want, I will explain you about the materials, what should be used for the oil painting. Here I didn't use any liquid, any medium, anything. And here I am drawing the trees with the black color. Same, I am using the hog-eared brush. And to show the perspective wise, when it is near, the trees should be bigger, width wise and both the height wise. And when it comes to the far side, the trees should be very small, both in height and width. So here just below I am dabbing a little bit with the same black color and showing like just some grass is grown up and few strokes like leaves are falling on the floor. And one more tree beside that. It's quite very simple and very easy, even everyone can do it. Even this side, right side, just so to show that far trees, I am taking black and lots of white. So both the colors we will mix, we will get almost lightish gray color, so that the trees looks like it's almost mixed up with a moist effect. Just I'm adding few thin lines. When it's going, it should be very thin lines and with lots of white. Now you can see that effect. And adding few branches. Just here and there, just few branches I am adding. And now once this is finished, I will go for the palette knife work. And today I had used a knife, two knives I had used. One is the different one and another one is, both are different knives. So you can see here this shape of the knife. I had taken crimson color and trying to give the leaves shape here. You can see that how beautifully that structure is coming with this knife. With the knife, the whole painting is going to change. Just adding few leaves with that crimson, and in few areas I used magenta, so it looks very beautiful. Just drag it and do it aram se. Just dabbing it, and even right side the same method. It's quite very easy. Just taking the crimson color and dragging few areas, but we should be very careful and we should not do it all over. Just leave some space and do it here and there. You can see that almost it's completing the painting, almost it's going to complete. It's quite easy. And when it comes the below part, I'm just adding few strokes with the same magenta and crimson, and in few areas I used the same colors vermilion. And even to show below part, like just the leaves are fallen on the floor, on the earth, few strokes. So once this is finished, I will use the diamond shape palette knife just to show some few strokes. and adding few white strokes. And we should know when and where should we stop. It plays an important role, not only just doing the painting. We should know that where should we stop. And here just giving the strokes with the another palette knife, diamond shape, and with a few brushes, few strokes. With the cobalt blue I am giving the strokes, just dragging it in a sleeping line. Here hardly I used the colors, very less colors I had used, and even in few areas I used the burnt umber. I had used burnt umber. So it's very beautiful. Yeah. So here I'm using that diamond knife, dragging towards right, and even we can drag it towards the left also. Just hold, don't give too much of pressure when you are doing, just touch to the canvas. That both sides should be mixed. I mean that road part and even the side part, both should be mixed. You can see that strokes, how beautiful it's coming. Same thing, right side. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. This is Lakshmi Dunti signing off. Thank you.